In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to use the Atlas dashboard on mobile. Start by opening your browser and going to dashboard.atlasfunded.com. Sign in using the email and password you registered with. Once you're in, tap the menu icon in the top left corner to open the main navigation. This is where you can access every section of your account. Your home screen shows all of your accounts in a clean, mobile-friendly layout. Each account displays your balance, phase, and current status. Inside the dashboard, you can track your trading performance and risk metrics. Just scroll down to see everything clearly formatted for mobile. Tap See More to view detailed trading statistics, including win rates, losses, streaks, and daily performance. You can also join trading competitions directly from your dashboard when they're available. Atlas Funded also gives you built-in tools to help you trade smarter, all accessible on mobile. If you need help at any point, the Rules and FAQ and Help Center are always available from the menu. That's a full breakdown of the Atlas Funded mobile dashboard. In the next video, we'll cover exactly how payouts work.